The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Ford County and east central Illinois, northeastern Livingston County and central Illinois, southwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southern Grenville County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mazan, or near White, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dwight and Gardner around 6:40 p.m. Braceville around 6:45 p.m. Herscher around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Reddick, Emmington, East Brooklyn, Union Hill, Campus, Buckingham, Bonfield, Essex, Caberry and Verona, including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 213 and 232. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston and southern